Scenic nature, tradition, cultural heritage, and government support are the keys of successful investment in tourism accommodation. Those are what make Bokoharjo a promising peak of investment. Bokoharjo is an area in Indonesia, particularly located in Yogyakarta Special Region, one of the best tourist destinations in the country. Visiting Bokoharjo means moving into a breathtaking realm, embarking on an adventure between magnificent cultural heritages, engaging with and exploring beautiful tourism destinations. Bokoharjo is the home to a world-class cultural heritage, the Prambanan Temple, the largest Hindu temple in Indonesia and the most beautiful in Southeast Asia. In addition, Bokoharjo also has Keraton Ratu Boko and a highly popular tourist attraction, Breksi Cliff. The government of Yogyakarta Special Region continues to promote tourism by developing quality human resources, offering favorable policy environments, and establishing supporting infrastructure. The online single submission system implemented by the government has greatly eased licensing process, including tourism business licensing.
Sistem OSS sangat membantu proses perizinan dalam investasi bidang perhotelan. Dengan sistem OSS, semua proses menjadi mudah dan jelas. Dan memang iklim pariwisata di Yogyakarta sangatlah bagus. Itu mengapa kami tidak ragu berinvestasi di bidang perhotelan.
Since 2020, the new Yogyakarta International Airport has been in operation. This drives the growth of economy and tourism even further. The government also initiates programs which expand tourism experience in the city of Yogyakarta, all the way to the Borobudur Temple, the largest Buddhist temple in the world. This will animate tourism ecosystem in Bokoharjo. The growth of the Bokoharjo area will be accelerated with the development of tourism supporting infrastructure. These advantages open more opportunities for high-class tourism segment in Bokoharjo. The choice to invest in high-class accommodation in Bokoharjo is the best choice you can make. Gudang, Bokoharjo. Here, a hotel will be constructed to meet tourist accommodation needs. Imagine a 5-star, 50-room hotel and a restaurant standing here amidst beautiful and green area. This hotel will be accompanied by a villa complex with the scenic Bokoharjo Valley as the main yard. The hotel is connected directly to Jogja Solo Toll Road, the vein of transportation in the Yogyakarta and Central Java areas. The hotel will be a sojourn for tourists visiting Bokoharjo or its neighboring areas. The hotel will also be capable of hosting events with its meeting, incentive, convention, and exhibition facilities capable of housing 400 visitors. Global Standard compliant facilities will support every event held here. Javanese village atmosphere will be the soul of this hotel, allowing it to blend in with its rural neighborhood, which will also heartily welcome visitors. This hotel will be the first of its kind. It will become the anchor of the development of resort and ecotourism in Bokoharjo area.
Jadi, menurut kami, iklim usaha akomodasi pariwisata di area Bokoharjo memang bagus sekali. Resto kami sendiri sudah payback period, dan itu pun lebih cepat dari rencana awal. Kedepannya, saya rasa prospek di bidang yang terkait dengan pariwisata pasti akan jauh tambah baik, apalagi dengan berbagai kebijakan dan pembangunan yang dilakukan pemerintah, seperti akan dibukanya pintu exit tol di daerah wilayah Bokoharjo.
Located amidst many prominent tourist destinations, leveraged by various facilities and government supportive policies, towering atop the most gorgeous hills in Yogyakarta, Bokoharjo presents a definite and assured investment plan for hotel, villa, restaurant, and star-class Eco MICE. Seize the peak of this opportunity. Invest in Bokoharjo.